Welcome to 1 Minute English Story. This story is called The Talking Sofa. Mia was home alone. She sat on the sofa in the living room. She opened a book, but she felt sleepy. Suddenly the sofa said, "Hello." Mia jumped. "Who said that?" "I did," said the sofa. "I can talk." Mia laughed. "You're a talking sofa?" "Yes," said the sofa. "And I can fly too." "Fly?" Mia asked. Whoosh! The sofa flew into the air. It went out the window and over the city. Mia saw cars, birds, and clouds. Wow, this is better than TV. After a fun ride, the sofa flew back into the living room. Mia landed with a smile. Her mum came in. "Did you have a good time?" "Yes," Mia said. "The sofa is very comfortable." The sofa winked.